Here's how to enable end-to-end encrypted messages on your iPhone. Now, if you're on your iPhone and you wanted to make sure every single text message you send and receive is end-to-end encrypted, meaning that it is super secure, I'm going to show you how to do that. Let's hop out of here and open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you've done that, tap on General and then Software Update. This is a fairly new feature, so you do need to update your iOS on your iPhone. Currently, it's iOS 26.5. But after you've updated that, let's toggle this feature on. So go back to the beginning of your settings, and I find the easiest way is we'll just search for it. So we're going to just search for Messages, and then tap on the Messages app. After we've gotten directly to the Messages settings, all we need to do is scroll down. Now, towards the bottom here, you can see text messages, including RCS text messages. These are messages your iPhone sends to other Android phones, ones that don't have the blue text message bubble, but have the green bubble. So tap on RCS messaging, and here's end-to-end encryption. It says end-to-end encryption is in beta and is not available for all devices or carriers. Conversations are labeled as end-to-end encrypted. So again, you might not see this depending on your device or your carrier, but if you do have that, just toggle it on, and then you should see once you start messaging with somebody, at the top there, it should say end-to-end encrypted if your phone as well as the other one is encrypted. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video or if it helped you out, I would greatly appreciate it if you hit the like button and maybe consider subscribing to my channel. It really does help me out. Thanks, guys.